Thyme is found in the mountainous regions of the Mediterranean and grows wild in the hills of Greece and other western Mediterranean countries, and northern African countries. It is most likely native to the Levant, which is an historical geographical term referring to a large area in the eastern Mediterranean region of Western Asia. Thyme is an aromatic and widely used culinary herb and is perhaps the single most used herb across the world. Thyme is delicate in appearance. Its tiny rounded leaves grow in clusters around its thinly wooded stems. Thyme's flavor counters its appearance with bold nuances of essential oil thymol. The flowers bloom along the stem, nestled among the leaves, and attract honeybees in what seems like swarms. Flowers are often purple, but can be pink or white depending on the variety. The tiny purple blooms of flowering thyme offer a balsamic scent and citrusy flavor with hints of mint. Thyme grows well with many vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers. Many fruit farmers grow thyme with their blueberries and strawberries for pest deterring or filling and gaps. They also improve flavor of other crops, come back every year, and are drought tolerant and aromatic. In gardens, they should be planted with the brassicas and the nightshades. Thyme contains many essential oils, but primarily thymol and carvacrol, which give the leaves and blossoms their aroma and taste. The herb also contains tannins, bitter compounds, and organic acids, which offer digestive benefits as well as antibiotic, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Overall, ingesting thyme is believed to be ideal for maintaining good health.